Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something really simple, and it's gonna be Gotta Sweep from Baldi. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this simple broom, and to begin we're gonna start out with the handle first. So we're gonna start on the top. We're just gonna draw a long rectangle. This is just the top, not the whole broom itself, so we're gonna cut this off. So just kind of draw it at a little slant, and then we're gonna add in some details. We're gonna add in one section on the top and on the bottom here, and then there looks to be a little bit more detail, so I'm just gonna draw in almost two little squares in here on each side. And then now we're gonna extend the broom all the way down, so we're just gonna connect this, just extend it all the way down. So keeping the same slant. Okay, and then I'm gonna close it off. And then now for the broom itself, so we're gonna come down here on this part right here. We're gonna extend it slightly. Just give it a little bit of an edge. And then we're gonna come down. Just kind of curve it like that. And then we're gonna extend this out and down. And then we're gonna extend this one, same thing. And then just kind of dip it down, and then we're just gonna close this off. One straight line. Okay, and then for the bottom here, we're just gonna extend it one more time. Just keep going out pretty wide, and then we're gonna close it off. Same thing with a straight line, and then we can add in a little bit more detail here to make it a little bit three-dimensional. On the edge here, just kind of come in slightly, and then we're just going to close that off. So we're just kind of make it a little bit more complicated since this is so easy to draw. Okay, and then for the broom itself, we can add in some detail. It looks like this is going to be like a separate color, so I'm just going to separate that. All over around here, I'm just gonna add in some lines. So on these lines here, just kind of follow this direction and just kind of have these slowly turn as if it's all kind of radiating from here. So it doesn't have to be exactly like this, obviously. I'm just drawing some of the, I think you call them bristles, right, on the broom. Okay, and then on this side as well, I'm just gonna add a few lines. And then on the bottom here, we can add in just some lines and dots almost, just to make it look like the hair on the broom. Go all the way around. And that is it for this broom from Baldi. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.